Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm really excited because I am painting this 20 by 20 inch canvas as my giveaway piece at the Dinner Gala for the TriArt experience, which is coming up at the end of May in Asheville, North Carolina. If you haven't signed up yet, the website is fluidartexperience.com. I know I have a couple of classes left, or a couple of spots left in my palette knife skills class, and I also am teaching the flick and spin technique. But for tonight's piece, I'm kind of hoping to go a little minimal. So let me walk you through my colors and then I'll tell you my plan. So I'm starting with this base coat color, which is a mix of a bunch of different colors. I kind of played mad scientist. I wanted a color that was kind of smoky and but in the blue range. So I think this is a gorgeous color. I can't tell you what all is in it. I used a bunch of leftovers. I know there's some white, there's some black, and then a bunch of blues, and I think there's some TLPs in here because it's a little faintly metallic. And I think this is going to be perfect for the negative space in this piece. I want a lot of negative space. This color is a mix of Amsterdam grayish blue and a little bit of cyan blue. This one is this little Piggy Billabong. This one is Amsterdam pale gold, or light gold, I'm sorry, with a little bit of DecoArt 24 karat gold in it also. And then I have some white, which is a pearl mix actually, which is DecoArt 24, I'm sorry, Chrome Acrylic Essentials white with DecoArt satin enamels and mixed with Floetrol. And then I have some Goldens, Fluid Acrylics, Carbon Black. So my plan tonight is to play with my palette knives, and I'm going to do an Enzo circle. So the concept of an Enzo circle is that it is an imperfect circle. It's usually done in one single stroke, and it's meant to not be perfect. The concept behind it is to accept your own imperfections, which I think is a fantastic philosophy because sometimes your imperfections are your superpower. So I really love that idea, and I love the minimal look, and I think this is going to be beautiful. So I'm going to play with my palette knives. I also have a straw that I'll be using, and you know, I may play around with different things, but usually when I start playing with my palette knives, sometimes I get carried away. So the idea here is to be minimal and not overwork it. So let's put on some music for you while I play with paint.
Perdiendo entre las sombras, desvaneciendo, siempre otro despedir, a veces más lento, demasiado rápido para mí, siempre tan fuerte. Mi necesidad por ti, la primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo vino a ser el último que te di. Tu mano en mi mano, todo me lo sabía decir. amor me ahoga, me agarré tan fuerte de ti, no quería soltarte, no podía dejarte ir, el miedo a perderte no me dejaba respirar, no podía aguantar que ya no estarías más. La primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo. Vino a ser el último que te di, tu mano en mi mano. Todo me lo sabía decir. Cerca, siempre cerca, cerca, siempre cerca de mí. Cerca, siempre cerca, siempre cerca de mí. La primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo. Vino a ser el último que te di, tu mano en mi mano. Todo me lo sabía decir. Si quieres creer que te puedo traer la luz del sol y las estrellas, si quieres depender de mí, que te ilumine a ti, te dé toda mi energía. No te hagas ilusión, no quiero ser tu salvación, tampoco soy tu religión. Hacete cargo de tu vida, mi amor no significa posesión, no significa solución de tu problema, resuelve tus dilemas. Yo prefiero vivir sabiendo que hay amor profundo y sincero. Yo quiero sentir lo que es compartir la felicidad en lo malo y en lo bueno. No te hagas ilusión, no quiero ser tu salvación, tampoco soy tu religión. Hacerte cargo de tu vida, mi amor, no significa posesión, no significa solución de tu problema. Anda, resuelve tu dilema. soy tu religión. Hacete cargo de tu vida. Mi amor no significa posesión, no significa solución de tus problemas. Anda, resuelve tu dilema. No te hagas ilusión. No quiero ser tu salvación. Tampoco soy tu religión. Hacete cargo de tu vida. Tu vida es tu
And here we have the wet results. This is beautiful. I'm so happy. I love that I drug the negative space into the circle. Gave me some great little cells popping up in there. Of course, the cells weren't the point. It was more about creating the motion, using the palette knife and playing with the colors. I am super happy with this. Look at these beautiful lines, the puffiness of that pearl cloud mix. You see the gold sparkling, the TLP Billabong is sparkling. I love the spots and the splatters. I did fix the one here on the outside edge. I just didn't like the shape of it, but some of these on the inside, look at those that I blew out with the straw. Ooh, that's so pretty. This one too, I love that one. And I did blow out one that was on the outside also. So there you have it. I hope whoever wins this really loves it. And I can't wait to see y'all and paint with you in Asheville, North Carolina, Fluid Art Experience. Woo! Trying not to wake up my neighbors. Thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.